Hello.
Hello.
What do you do when you find a baby bird, such as this? Chirp, 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 chirp.
Guys,
Well, you may think, oh, I'll take care of him, but no, you should not do that because these guys require special care. So what you need to do is put him back
Yeah.
at the nest because only in a few days they are trying to grow little feathers. So stop it, leave it. You're gonna hurt him. He's very, very special friend.
Yeah.
So put him back
In a nest.
in the nest. Where should we put him back?
In the roof.
In the nest, yes. Should we try to keep him?
No.
No, because that's part of their life. Sometimes they fall because they're ready to fly away.
Yeah.
Yes, they're ready to start a new life. Go to college and
And
all
we
those
can
things.
have to catch him.
Yes, but remember, do not keep them, do not try to feed them, just put them back.
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Say, good luck, Chicky.
Good luck, Chicky.
Yay. Thanks for visiting.
Thanks for being.
All right. All right, here we go. Hopefully I do not kill myself. Okay.
Okay, everybody.
Here we go. Do not fly away, please. Just stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Just stay there. He's trying to fly away. So that is the reason he got in trouble. Oh no!
Papa, be careful.
He actually made it to the other tree. A little bird flew away to a tree across the street, which I think is wonderful too. So remember, do not try to keep them. Fei Fei,
Huh?
do we keep the birds like that?
No.
No, we do not. Till next time, your friend, the polite caiman. Be nice.